In this video today, we're going to dive into Figma, the go-to tool for web designers. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a powerful tool to improve your design, Figma is perfect for beginners. We'll cover the basics of web design, plus explore some of the other ways you can use this fantastic software. Let's get started. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that's incredibly versatile. It's ideal for web design, but it's also great for creating app interfaces, prototyping, and even collaborating with team members in real time. The best part, it's completely browser-based, so there's no need to download anything. To get started, go to figma.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see the Figma dashboard where you can organize your projects. If you're working with a team, you can invite others to collaborate from here too. Let's take a quick tour of Figma's interface. On the left, you have your layers panel where you can organize all your design elements. In the center is the canvas, where all your designing happens. And on the right is the properties panel, where you can adjust things like colors, fonts, and layout settings. Now, let's create a simple homepage for a website. We'll start by selecting a frame, which acts like an artboard. In Figma, frames are highly flexible and can be resized for different screen sizes like desktop, tablet, or mobile. Next, let's add a header. We can use the rectangle tool to create a navigation bar and then add text for menu items like home, about, and contact. Now, we'll add a hero image. You can either upload your own images or use Figma's built-in Unsplash integration to find high-quality stock photos. One of Figma's standout features is its components. Components allow you to create reusable design elements, which is perfect for maintaining consistency across your website. For example, if you can create a button as a component, you can use that same button across all of your pages. And if you update it once, it will change everywhere. Now that we've got the basic layout, let's see how our design works as a prototype. Figma's prototyping tool allows you to create interactive links between different pages of your design. This is great for showing clients or testing how users might navigate your website. But Figma isn't just for web design. You can use it for creating app interfaces, marketing materials, and even animations. Let's take a quick look at some of these other uses. You can also use Figma for marketing design. Whether you're creating posters, flyers, or social media graphics, Figma's flexibility makes it easy to adapt your designs for any medium. One of Figma's biggest strengths is its collaboration features. You can invite teammates to your project and everyone can work on the same design at the same time. Plus, there's no need to worry about version control. Figma automatically saves your work and keeps a history of changes. Once your design is finished, Figma makes it easy to share with clients or developers. You can send a shareable link or export your design as images, PDFs, or even code snippets. This is especially useful for web design as you can export CSS code directly from your design elements. And that's a beginner's guide to Figma. Whether you're designing a website, creating a mobile app, or working on marketing materials, Figma is a powerful tool that will streamline your design process. Thanks for watching. If you need anything else, feel free to reach out to us.